Welcome back, guys. Today I want to share with you how to build an email list from scratch for beginners. Now, if you've been watching the last video, guys, I shared with you how you can work your way in and how you can buy your way in to getting traffic. And today, if you're looking forward to this content, I'm going to be sharing with you exactly the best traffic, which is the traffic that you own. So do me a favor. If you're new to this channel, make sure you hit that like button. Also, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you hadn't already. And don't forget to click that bell icon to be notified of all future videos that I upload when I upload them on this channel. I teach you how to start and grow an online. I teach you how to start and grow an online business, how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing. And the main goal of this channel is to educate, inspire, and motivate you to live the prosperous life that you and your family deserve. So without further ado, we're going to get into the traffic that you own and how to build an email list. So, secret number 5 is traffic that you own. So, the agenda we're going to be going over is the only real secret to a business, and the call to action or the CTA is we're going to be you want to have front end funnels. So you want to have whether it be a lead funnel or a free book funnel or a webinar funnel. This is how we're going to generate our own traffic. So understand the value of your list. So and also implementing this into your business. So the secret number 5, my biggest takeaway is people are used to working 8 hours a day and getting paid for those hours, do not understand how leverage works and will be skeptics until they do. So what I mean by that is a lot of people, and what Russell was talking about inside this book is a lot of people, that work a 9 to 5 or they work 40 hours a week may not understand the whole online business game in the space, and they think that certain things are scams. So they don't understand how online marketers or how people online can make $100,000 and a click of just in one click. So I'm going to share with you inside the book where he talks about this very thing here. So he says, every so often I hear skeptics ask this question, and I always smile because I know that they don't understand how leverage works. They're used to working 8 hours a day and getting paid for those hours. If they want to make 100,000 per year, they have to make at least $50 per hour, work 40 hours per week for at least 50 weeks per year. When they hear about the gurus online making 100K in a weekend, they think it's a scam. It doesn't make any sense to them, and they think it's a scam, but it's actually quite simple. When someone has spent the time, so they're not doing this overnight. They did put the time in, but when someone has spent the time to build a list of followers of 10,000, 100,000, or even 1 million plus people, they can send out an email to that list selling a product to make $100,000. They only need a small percentage of those people to buy the product. Yet to someone working for the hourly wage, it would take them all year to earn that amount. So it can essentially take, somebody 6 months, a year to make $100,000 by building their own asset. Their biggest asset online is their email list, the traffic that we own. And they're able to then, after building up that traffic and creating a database of email subscribers, they're now able to just send out a email like that and almost print money. And that's why you hear about the gurus making, they made $5,000 today, or they made $10,000 today, or they made $100,000 over the weekend. It's because they build up their biggest asset, which is the traffic that they own. That's what we want to be doing in our business. So we want to be list building. The only real secret to any business, to a business, is your email list. So yesterday I talked about traffic that you earn, and then traffic that you can control, which is the traffic that you buy. Today we're going to be just sharing with you traffic that you own, which is the best type of traffic that's out there. So With traffic that I own, I can follow up with my leads anytime I like. Like I mentioned, you can send out an email just like that. I'm probably sending out an email to you, if you're on my list, if you're, if you opted into any of my funnels, I can then send out an email to you. And as I'm building my list, I can then be able to send out a promotional email to you and just print money just like that. So the only goal with traffic that you control and traffic that you earn is to convert it into traffic that you own. A lot of people in the affiliate marketing space, a lot of people do this the wrong way. They just promote a product, whether it be their own product or whether it be an affiliate product. They send the traffic, whether it be from Facebook, YouTube, Google, no matter where it's from. They TikTok, Instagram, they send that traffic directly to the affiliate offer. And that's why that's the wrong way to do it, because you're missing out on the biggest secret into your business and the biggest asset, which is your email list building and creating that asset. So you want to make sure you're doing that in your business. Direct these people into funnels where you can get their information and get them onto your list. So make sure that this is why it's essential to get, sales funnels. You're able to then go out and capture these leads, bring them into your funnel, bring them into your business, and now you can promote to them forever. So we'll talk about how this works later on. So all the traffic I control and earn is always pushed into a front end funnel, also known as a self-liquidating offer, where you can market to them for free over and over again. So you pay for that customer, or you even work with, you pay for it, whether it be with time, whether you earn it, or you pay for it, whether it be with your money, and you can control it. Whatever which way you're doing it, you want to make sure that at the end you owning that traffic and that you're bringing them into your funnels and putting them on your list. That way you can self-liquidate that offer. So now you can promote to them on the back end. That's what we call the back end offers, or our money on the back end. So now we get them in our funnels, and we talk about how we're going to get them in our funnels here, but we want to get them in there on our list, and we want to promote to them and make our money on the back end. So let's not try to focus on making money on the front end. So call to action front end funnel, push customers from earned control traffic to a front end funnel. So this is Russell Brunson's front end, one of his front end funnels here. And this is how it works. He gives customers something for free in exchange for their email address. So you can see here that he's giving away a free ebook, a digital ebook. Russell's lead funnel gives away 99 marketing secrets in a free ebook. And so he's giving them something in exchange for their email address, in which they're interested into his 99 marketing secrets that will change their business forever. So as long as he's making a great lead magnet, is what we call this, where people are desiring for that lead magnet in order to get even more information on the back end, you want to present that lead magnet to them so you can collect their email address. And so that's what we want to be doing. So this is also, like I said, it's called a lead magnet, the thing that you are giving away for free. So the goal here is you're not selling at all. This is just, you're not selling anything at all with this type of funnel, just getting them on your list and providing them with value. So the call to action for a front end funnel, for a free book funnel. So if you notice, I've got the Traffic Secrets book here. And so this is how this funnel went. So you push customers from earned control traffic once again to a front end funnel. So the free book funnel it's a free book, but how it works is you give customers a free copy of the book when they pay shipping and handling. All they have to do is pay for shipping and handling, and the book is free. The idea is to break even on the upsell. So he's going to upsell them and ascend him through his value ladder, as he talks about in the book. And this is what we want to be doing. We want to make sure that on the front end, a lot of people do this wrong, and a lot of us do this wrong in our business. We always focusing on the front end money first, whether we earn it with our time or whether we pay for it with our own dollars. We still have to keep in mind, to a successful business, you want to be able to not focus on creating money on the front end offer, but do it on the back end. So what you want to do is you want to give this book away. If you got a free book or so, you want to get this book away, have them pay for the shipping, and that's how you're going to, get your money on the back end. So the goal is to get people to pay the small shipping costs to get the book. Then we will present with upsells and downsells after they hit the order submit button. So the same situation with the webinar funnel. So we want to invite customers to gain information where when they register, they are added to a list. So you may see some of these webinar funnels where you sign up to a webinar. Well, in order to sign up for that webinar, they're getting your information, they're getting your name and your email. So you want to make sure you're doing this in your business. Make sure you're collecting that name and email to a webinar. And then the webinar is designed to provide value, show credibility, results, and change belief patterns. And to get, Russell talks real deep about this in the book, and get them to buy the offer made at the end of the presentation. So this is the main goal of the webinar funnel. So he does a 1 hour presentation and he talks about, just the secret funnel strategy. So this is the whole webinar is talking about how to the strategy to the secret funnel. So the goal is even then do not buy. They are still added to a list and retargeted with emails, messages, and ads. A lot of us like to send them to a product to buy right away. But we want to just make sure that we're just getting the whole goal here, and traffic that we own is just to get a name and an email or any kind of contact information that you need, whether that be a phone number, depending on what business you're into, whether that be a phone number, an email, or a name. So the value of your list, on the low end, you should average about $1 per month for each name on your list. So all Russell Brunson's front end funnels, the goal is to break even so he can ascend customers up the value ladder. And you can look here at this diagram and you can see the lead funnel, the book funnel, and the webinar funnel. Each one of them is, the main goal is just to break even on the front end. And the way he does that is by retargeting them through emails, through retargeting ads on social media. Also, he just promotes his products on the back end. So if you can acquire leads for free or even pay $1 to buy for them, and let's say you generate 100 leads, you paid $100 to $500 for them, but now you are making around $1 or more per month per lead. That investment will pay you back in 5 months. So a lot of us, that's why you have to understand the psychology and growing your business, and whether you're going to do it through earned traffic or even paid traffic. And this, when you understand this, you can decide what's best for you and your business, because understanding that even if you pay for traffic, you may have to wait 5 or 6 months before you actually break even with that traffic. So that's you need to understand that every dollar you put in, you're not going to always get $1 out, and it may be even 5 months before you get that, because the whole goal is not to make your money back on the front end. The main goal is to provide value to them, get the lead, provide as much value as you can through the whole sales process. And even on the back end, weeks and even months later, you want to continuously provide value. And then, your money should be received on the back end. And that could even take up to 5 months, even a year. It could take even longer than that. So you just want to make sure that you don't focus on the making money on the front end. And that's where I've focused at. That's where I've lost in the beginning of my online journey, where I was mainly, a lot of us want to know when we're going to make money. Is we're going to make money today? Is it going to be next week? Is it going to be next month? Stop focusing on when you're going to make this money. If you really want to be successful in your business, focus on just providing the value to your list, and the money will come. So the next step is, now that you have created a new lead, you can now direct them into the follow-up funnels. So I just want to share with you exactly how I'm doing this in my business. So this is one of my websites here. And so what I'm doing here is I'm bringing people from either my YouTube channel, either my Facebook profile, and those are the two main traffic sources that I'm using now to generate leads into my business. And what I'm doing, I'm bringing them in, and I'm offering them a free lead magnet on a step-by-step guide to make $100 a day. So when they give me their email address, I'm then sending them with the free gift. I'm then emailing them digitally with the free gift of how they can make $100 a day. And then later on, as they're on my email list, and I'm continuously building my email list with this free lead magnet, because it's a very interesting lead magnet that my very customer avatar is interested in. They're interested in how they can make money online. So I'm giving them that free lead magnet. They're giving me in exchange their email address. And now I'm building my email list because I'm providing that value that they're looking for. So this is what you want to be doing in your business. And I'm also working on a free course on how a free course for my Facebook group. So I'm gonna be starting a Facebook group, and I'm going to be bringing people through my Facebook group. So there's various ways on how you can do this. So what I want to do is, if you haven't already got your copy of the Traffic Secrets book, I want you to go ahead and click on the link below and the resources below and get your hands on a copy of this book. You can go to msonlinemarketing.com/traffic secrets and get your free copy of the book. If you're getting value from this, do me a favor. Be sure to hit that like button. Also, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you hadn't already. And don't forget to tick that bell icon to be notified of all future videos that I upload when I upload them. And so make sure, once again, that you go ahead and you grab your free copy of the book. And all you have to do is pay for the shipping and handling. I want to say thank you for watching this video. God bless you, and see you in the next video.